We're sharing with you what it would look like to run a fast track program in apprenticeship using CCI curriculum. So in several organizations, you have somebody that might be trusted, somebody that already has some skills. They don't have enough to be a journey level technician or painter or estimator or manager, but they have some good skills and they have a great potential. And so if this is somebody that you already have in your organization and you want to advance them more quickly through the program, here's what that looks like. So they can still be an entry level person, but they may have spent some time in the paint department. Maybe they already know how to do, prepping for panels. Maybe they know how to mask. Maybe they know how to detail. These are things that they can have learned on the job already, informally, going through the process. And maybe they're with you at least 6 months to 12 months. So you have a good idea how trustworthy this person is. At that point, you identify what their skills are and identify where they would like to be. If they have maybe 2 of 6 skills down pretty well, then that creates a gap. The other skills that they don't have yet, that's the gap that we want to fill. They still have to validate the skills that they do have. You can identify those through an assessment, tools that we provide. And once you identify that, you come up with what is the shortened version of curriculum that they need that only fills the gaps, not everything they already know, plus the parts that they don't know. That's called a fast track process. And instead of taking anywhere from 12 to 18 months to go through an entire program, they may be able to cut that down to 9 to 14 months through a fast track program where they can take 2 or 3 blocks and not have to do those. They still would complete an apprenticeship, but it would be on a reduced or narrowed focus on the curriculum. So they would focus only on those parts that they need. This still allows them to earn while they learn and allows them to grow within your organization, learning your shop's culture and providing economic benefit all the while.